In this lecture, we will learn how to use FILLET command. Type FILLET for FILLET command. Select FILLET. We can select radius from here or right click and select radius from here. Give 10 mm radius. Press enter. Now select first object, then second object to give a fillet between them. So this is a fillet of 10 mm. Select fillet command from here. Select radius. Give radius of 15 mm. Press enter. Select first object and second object to give a fillet between them. Again, go to fillet command. Select polyline. Give 20 mm of radius. Select this sketch. Now you can see that polyline is used to give the fillet to the whole sketch. It gave 20 mm radius to all corners. Undo the sketch. Again, go to fillet command and select multiple. Give radius of 25 mm. Now we can select multiple objects to give fillet between them. Go to rectangle command. Here you will see the different options. Right click. We can also give fillet to the rectangle from here. Select fillet. Now give the radius of 20 mm and press enter. And draw a rectangle. Here you can see that it gave a fillet of 20 mm to all the corners. So this is the fillet command in AutoCAD.